Hello and welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. As we do a very cinematic rise out of the circle here, we're going to check out what's new going on here at Eastport. As you rise up, the ball fields look really nice, a lot of traffic. And this is what's going on behind me. Typical Florida. And let's check out the Central Lake Golf Academy. We take off really fast and we'll fly around Golf Academy, checking it out. I don't know if you can see that they have the ball markers or the flags out there where you hit the ball off to aim at. They got that out on the field. You can check out Eastport out there. You can check out the parking lots, the roads, how clean they are, and the fences they have up. Speaking of the fences, let's check those out. Let's check those out again. On the day they were putting up the fences, they didn't block off the entrances into the parking lots, and a lot of villagers took advantage of that. I don't think they liked it, so they put up these barricades. You're not allowed in there. Please stay out. It's an active construction zone for right now. All the cars you see is from construction workers and employees of the villages. Let's fly over and take a look at the sales center, the Olympia Rec Center, and you can see how clean the parking lots are. So they'll open this up soon in due time. The dog park is looking really nice. The pool has water in it. It might be rainwater, but there's water in it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy mine.